What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today has been a bad start to the day, and as you guys see, it's starting to rain out here. So yeah, you're probably gonna see a whole lot of drifting out on the track. We're gonna go ahead and get some GoPro footage of Hieu's car, Hank's car, possibly Erica's car. Unfortunately, I'm probably not gonna be able to do any ride-alongs today because it is race day. So we're just gonna see how they do. Everybody's currently walking the track at the moment before they get ready. It's gonna be an interesting day today. A lot of people haven't raced in the weather, seeing that we're in Southern California and it never rains. But today, we're lucky. We get to play with the elements today. And so it begins. Getting ready to have the first group on the right start first. And then, seems like we got a little bit of an issue. Might need a tissue. How was your run?
Yeah. All right, there's not a lot of grip out there for sure. So putting power down is hard. I shifted early into second gear just to make the car easier to control because you have a little less torque and it's a little bit easier to modulate the throttle. So it was good enough for first place for now, but I know Gary Samad here in his Boxster S and stuff, he's gonna put down a fast time. He always does at the end. And he's got better tires and stuff like that than I do and stuff. So we'll see how it goes.
What was your time for the lap?
I had a 48.9, I believe, and I hopefully clean. So I'm a little bit ahead of my competition. Gary has another run to match mine because he's going to have his second run soon in his Boxster. So it's just super slippery and hard to predict because not everywhere is as slippery as everywhere else. When you go up to that plateau up there, it's a little bit drier up there than it is down here where you don't have a lot of grip. So yeah.
The Cayman, driven by Gary Samad, comes in, moving up position to second. His time is 48.939. We're watching you all improve and we are smiling.
Yeah! How'd you do, brother?
51.
That's right.
Oh yeah.
Wow. That's right. Mr. Yanthing! They have a legit go-kart! This is so awesome, guys. Good luck.
Thanks. Don't spin at the beginning again.
I'll try.
And you're not going wide enough for your stuff.
It's really hard to control it in general.
Figure it out.
Making a men for a spin last time, our junior partner goes round. Into the fall, to the maximum speed. He gets with his latest line, going wide, but around corner. Diving hard, breaking late. The tightest corner, he comes through wide. finishing with a beautiful time of a 50.980. A 50.980.
This is the moment that you've been waiting for. It's race day. So how are you feeling?
Good.
Yeah?
I'm gonna go first. I walked the track, but like I think I'm still gonna go slow the first run. I've never driven in wet weather, so
First time for everything. You ready to rock and roll?
yeah, I'm ready.
You got this.
First event in season.
Good luck out there, Fred. Well, all of a sudden it started pouring. Make sure everybody stays safe, have fun, above everything, but we'll see how this goes.
51-11 for the RX.
Well, not the first time it's happened. You're not the only person.
I know, I wasn't the first one today. That's good.
At least that's an accomplishment,
Yeah,
you know?
You know what? I was just so excited about this game, so.
How was the first wet run?
Slippery. I mean, I went slow, but this time I remember the course.
You're gonna push it?
Yeah.
All right. You got this?
Waiting on Hank.
All right.
No, I'm not
Scared.
you out there. I can see like you're flying through these corners. Some of it you're going wide, but you have so much aggression that you're still putting out good times and stuff, right? Like you're catching up on Erica a little bit because you're just not, you don't care if you die. Like Erica has some more self-preservation, but I think her technique's better too, right? So she's getting a little time on you, but you guys combine both, you guys are be really fast. Awesome, good job. It'll be fun, it'll be a competitive year, I think. She's already catching you close. She's already only what, 1.3 seconds behind.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see how it ends up.
But she's not stalling like 10 times before she starts. That doesn't matter. That doesn't
You'll
matter
learn
with
that.
the time.
Yeah, that doesn't affect the time, 1, and 2. You'll learn that. You already did better. You did like 6 starts without stalling. You stalled once there, but you launched. The launch is perfect going off. That was awesome. In the dry though, you can't really do that because after a while it'll break our transmission because you have more grip. So they'll like all the metal will stop because of the grip. But this one it just spins and it's fine, stuff like that. A lot of guys drive like that, but it's just because 2000s and it's expensive if you break them. But some people want to win so bad they don't care. Go for it. Good job.
Erica's up next. She's about to handle the scandal.
45, y'all believe it? Yeah!
But it's
still
your first
like
try.
looking where the course was.
Yeah, but it's your first run.
Yeah.
This is 50.506, 50.506. And there's after Erica finishing with a 15.592.
51.5. 49.4.
49.
So,
I'm like, what?
are you shaking in your boots now or what?
I'm just gonna go. It's more than a second off, so I don't know how I'm gonna. I have spots on here where I can shave some time, but that's a tough one.
You gotta send it, bro. Like,
know.
I don't.
If I can hit 49, just in general, even high 49s, that would be really good.
But
or even low 50s.
But you have to beat Hieu.
I gotta beat Hieu, so we'll see.
got a 50.6, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go check up on him. You got a 50.6.
Well, I left a lot of them.
Oh man, you killed it though. You did great.
It's all good. Every team might beat my time. So.
Huh? Alright, great job, bro. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are done for the day. We're gonna go and shut it down. We're gonna check in with the team, make sure that everybody has all their stuff, and we're gonna go and pack it up. We'll catch up with you guys later. Until next time.